Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to massage a suboccipital and levator scapula muscle, which are two muscle groups that really cause issues with headaches and neck pain and even shoulder pain as well. I'm going to take a ball. This is like a harder ball. You can use a tennis ball, you can use a golf ball, something like that. I'm just going to drop it into my sock here. When you do it, the point of using the sock is that if you when you put the ball here, if you let go of the ball, then the ball's not going to fall on the ground, so it's really helpful. So if you want to come over this way, we'll get the angle of this spot here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going right behind my skull. There's like a little pocket, okay? You have them on both sides of your skull, obviously, and you're just going to take this ball and put it in that pocket there. The next thing you're going to do is just lean against the wall, and you'll find a spot that's really tight or sore if you're dealing with neck pain and headaches and shoulder pain, and just go back and forth and massage back and forth on this. You're going to feel that muscle band kind of like sliding beneath the ball, and just push into that. You can even slide down lower towards the floor to get kind of like an inferior to superior traction on there, which can help loosen this up as well. And just keep doing this for pretty much as long as you want. You really can't overdo it, but you do want to make sure that you do it to the amount of time that you feel some relief. So thanks for watching this video. This is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.